Well, there were two main things. The first was the size of the battery compartment.
Yeah, the compartment itself was big enough to fit the new battery, but the tray had been sized to fit the original AGMs.
Actually, the original flooded lead acid
exactly.
that we had replaced with AGMs.
So yeah, so I guess the first challenge was just making sure that the tray itself was going to accommodate the new battery and give us the room we needed to. It was just that slightest bit longer than our existing.
And I think that it was, in this case, it was just the luck of the draw that it happened to be a little too small. The reason for that is that Newmar apparently has these battery trays custom made to fit exactly what was needed, which was two Group 31 chassis batteries and 4 6-volt flooded lead acid house batteries, and they didn't need anything bigger. So there was leftover space in the compartment that the tray wasn't filling. What we simply did was make it a little bit bigger, and some of it has to do with the cable that comes out the side of the battery. It's very robust, very large. We were just a little bit short. I think in most cases, it's likely someone wouldn't have to make that modification that we made.
Correct.
And the other modification was because of the location of the compartment next to the muffler.
Yeah,
maybe you want to mention that.
Yeah, I was going to say, because our battery tray is mounted literally right next to the engine and just above the muffler itself, heat was a concern. So again, the lithium battery didn't want exposure to the high temperatures that could be experienced in this compartment. So we actually then effectively sealed and insulated the entire back of the tray in order to make sure that we were shielding the battery from the heat from the muffler itself.
We picked up some insulating material. We did some research, found something that was designed for race cars in the inside of the hood on a race car, so the heat from the engine doesn't burn the paint off the hood. It's capable of withstanding very high temperatures, and we put that right against the muffler and the exhaust pipe in the engine, and now that will prevent the lithium batteries from experiencing artificially extreme temperatures because of the engine. And we have a monitoring system, a thermometer that's in there that reports back to us.
So
and
keep an eye on it.
And so far we've seen that in driving at highway speeds, the temperature in that compartment now is far below what the eGEN battery can handle.
Mm-hmm.